Something massive just dropped, and it's going to change how we use the internet forever. OpenAI has unveiled the next evolution of GPT-5, but this time, it's not just a chatbot. We're talking about fully autonomous agents, AI systems that can navigate the web, read documents, book appointments, make decisions, and complete entire tasks without needing your input every step of the way. And here's the craziest part. They don't even need a browser anymore. This is the beginning of the post-browser era, powered by GPT-5 and a secretive new platform called Stargate. And most people have no idea what's about to hit them. Let's break it all down. We've officially crossed into a new era of artificial intelligence, where AI doesn't just respond to you, it acts on its own. This new generation of GPT-powered agents can perform entire sequences of actions independently. From gathering information and making decisions to executing tasks across platforms, these systems no longer need your step-by-step instructions. They have goals and they figure out how to achieve them, just like a human assistant would. What makes them different is their tool access and memory integration. These agents can read files, interact with apps, process dynamic data, and even learn from previous interactions. They can be assigned broad objectives, like analyze this PDF and draft a summary, or schedule meetings and notify the team, and they'll get it done by orchestrating every step internally. The leap isn't just technical, it's transformational. These agents are designed to work seamlessly with real-world apps, plugins, and APIs, meaning they can manipulate documents, perform searches, generate emails, and much more. Unlike traditional AI assistants that rely on human prompts at every turn, these systems are now capable of self-directed, goal-based execution. What we're witnessing is the emergence of autonomous intelligence, AI that doesn't just help you think, but acts on your behalf. This changes everything about how we'll work, communicate, and interact with technology moving forward. Behind this leap in autonomous AI is a powerful new infrastructure, Stargate. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a massive compute system built specifically to support next-gen, real-world capable AI agents. What makes this system revolutionary is its ability to support multimodal interaction at scale. These new agents aren't limited to text. They can understand images, videos, PDFs, spreadsheets, and even voice. They don't just process data, they perceive and interpret it, using a fusion of sensory inputs to operate more like a human brain. Imagine assigning an agent a task like extract data from this table, summarize key insights, create a chart, and send it via email. This AI won't just follow instructions. It will analyze visual layouts, interpret numerical context, and take actions across multiple tools without supervision. Another game changer is TopView, an internal visualization framework that lets these agents actually see what's on the screen, be it a document, interface, or dashboard. It mimics a human working on a laptop, scanning, clicking, and completing tasks through virtual attention and action. This allows the agent to interact with apps and environments it's never seen before. These upgrades are supported by vast memory capacity, giving agents the ability to recall long-term goals, reference previous actions, and adapt to evolving contexts. They're not just executing, they're planning, remembering, and adjusting. This is the foundational tech that will support AI co-pilots for every profession, from customer support in HR to engineering, finance, and education. The systems are designed to scale, integrate, and operate across industries, and they're doing it faster than anyone expected. The most groundbreaking shift in this new AI wave is that prompts are no longer the center of interaction. Instead of needing precise instructions, these advanced agents can interpret vague goals, break them down into tasks, and decide how to execute them. You don't need to micromanage or rephrase. The system understands your intent and independently figures out the best course of action. This evolution is powered by multi-step reasoning, persistent memory, and tool orchestration. The AI doesn't just respond, it thinks, adapting in real time. It can reflect on its actions, retry when something fails, and even optimize its own process without human correction. These agents are stateful, meaning they maintain context across time. They remember what you've asked before, what files they accessed, and what steps they've already completed. This memory allows them to operate like full-fledged digital workers rather than one-off assistants. And the impact? Massive. You could assign one of these systems to monitor a business's operations, automatically gathering data, flagging issues, preparing reports, and coordinating between tools like email, Slack, databases, and dashboards. Without writing code, without managing workflows. This is AI as infrastructure. Not an app, not a tool, but a layer of intelligence embedded across your entire digital environment. It's also designed to be trainable. These agents can learn new workflows, internal systems, and specialized tasks over time, making them suitable for enterprise-grade operations and individual users alike. We're not just automating tasks anymore. We're deploying AI minds that evolve inside real-world systems. This is what separates the future from everything that came before. What makes this development even more urgent is that these autonomous agents aren't theoretical. They're already running inside real companies. They're being tested in enterprise environments, performing complex operations, such as managing customer support workflows, parsing legal documents, automating HR onboarding, and even conducting financial analysis. These aren't simple demos. They're live trials of AI systems acting without human supervision. One of the most astonishing abilities is their support for recursive execution. That means the AI doesn't stop after one action. It checks its progress, reevaluates the situation, and launches another round of reasoning until the full objective is met. This looped problem-solving mimics how a human would tackle challenges step by step. Some agents are also being trained to use internal company tools that they've never seen before, learning interfaces on the fly using visual understanding, and adapting their strategy in real time. This flexibility allows them to navigate unfamiliar digital environments with minimal setup. They're even being benchmarked against human workers in terms of speed and output, and in some structured tasks, they're already matching or exceeding entry-level employee performance. These agents are also designed for collaboration. Imagine multiple AI systems working together, one planning, another executing, a third handling external communication. They're like mini AI departments, each handling a slice of the problem and feeding into a larger, orchestrated solution. This isn't some far-off vision of the future. It's the beginning of a paradigm shift in how digital work gets done. The browser isn't the primary tool anymore. The agent is. The only question now is, how fast will the rest of the world catch up? What we've just uncovered isn't some prototype or early-stage experiment. It's the beginning of the end for traditional computing as we know it. Autonomous GPT-5 agents aren't just here to make things easier. They're here to redefine how we interact with digital systems. They don't need prompts, they don't need browsers, and they don't wait for permission. They take goals and deliver outcomes, efficiently, intelligently, and independently. From reading files and analyzing data, to making decisions and executing workflows across multiple platforms, these agents act like real digital workers. And the tech powering them, Stargate, TopView, Multimodal integration, is already live and scaling fast. This changes everything. Soon you won't be clicking through tabs or copying data between apps. You'll just set the intention, and your AI agent will handle the rest. But with that power comes disruption. Jobs, workflows, and entire industries will need to adapt. The shift from passive tools to autonomous systems means we're no longer in control of every step. And that's as exciting as it is uncertain. The question isn't if agents will replace the way we work. The question is, how fast will they take over, and who will control them? So if you're watching this, you're ahead of the curve. Stay informed, stay curious, because the AI revolution just went fully autonomous, and there's no going back.